छ्या मलाई यस्तो मिलाउने हैन मिलाउने टाइम पनि दिँदैन हौ तर बाजे अन्त आज
We're getting ready not to go anywhere.
हेर्नुपर्छ
What's up people? Welcome back to my channel. Ani
छिटो भन भोलि बिहान सिलगढी जानु छ
the little talk. So I have my that regular face out here.
तेरो बाज
मेरो लुट्स ओके आज चाहिँ एउटा डिफ्रेन्ट टाइप अफ बाइक नै यहीँ रोक्नु पर्ने अरे आज चाहिँ हामी एउटा डिफ्रेन्ट टाइप अफ भिडियो गर्न आँटेको त्यो चाहिँ मैले कहिले पनि ट्राई गरेको छुइनँ होइन रियाक्सन भिडियो अफ
एनिमेज
anime woohoo so अब हामी हेर्नु आँटेको छ अट्याक अन टाइटनको season 4 part 2 which is a very big hype. Let's get on with it, but let me put my glasses on and alright, ready.
Okay.
Here we go. Alternate story.
エレン、俺はもう終わりにしたい。
Oh,
なぜあがく。お前は何のために戦っている。何のために。俺がこの世に生まれたからだ。
始祖の巨人と王家の血を引く巨人が揃った。
エレンとジークを接触させてはなりません。手を貸すということは安楽死計画を実現させるということだぞ。歴史が変わる瞬間はもう間もなくです。
ミカサはどうしたい。エレンを助けたい。悪魔なんていなかった。
होइन होइन मैले के बुझेन मैले के
Okay,
बुझेन
let me tell you.
के हुन आँटेको
यहाँ
वर्ड
भन्दैछ
जस्तो
फर्स्ट you see na word Eren. Eren is the main titan जो hair long भएको
के
green
टाइटन भनेको चाहिँ
that big भयो नि giant त्यो fight गर्छ नि they
त्यो
all
hero?
are they all are human being first
अन्त त्यो केटिन देखेँ मैले एउटा
that is the heroine
त्यो चाहिँ नर्मल ह्युमन नै हो
all are normal यो त्यो Eren मात्रै चाहिँ among them he is the titan actually it's a long story but these two are like main characters so now you understand ni main character चाहिँ को
बुझ्यो
किन चाहिँ fight हुन्छ they are like fighting like that's why it is attack on titan
अट्याक अन टाइटन्स
because Eren is main hero and he is a good titan he is fighting against those titans like जुन चाहिँ enemy
Evil.
all fighting one very high पुरा खुसी लाग्दैछ मलाई
俺たちはただ進むだけだ。
and everybody wants him
ここまで導いてきたのはお前なのか。
Oh, this is Eren.
no
Oh, these are evil. These.
he is the main देखियो कपाल कालो लामो भएको green this one is him this is like all fighting देखियो आमामामा कस्तो things happening
死んでも死んだ後も
Final season. Attack on Titan. That is
生
born.
まれた時から
Judgment.
俺のままだ。
Oh, they have all the episodes.
it always okay let me tell you okay it's over it's all about him actually
Eren.
he like you know he is like prophecy child type ko huncha ni
Mm-hmm.
he knows what is going to happen in future and he should be the one fighting even though he don't want to for freedom त्यसको लागि and it has long way यो त season 4 को just trailer हो
So the next one which we are going to watch is
Jujutsu Kaisen Zero trailer
म त pronounce पनि गर्न सक्दिनँ के अरे Jujutsu
Kaisen
Kaisen.
Let's
start गरिदिउँ.
the video
Jujutsu
Kaisen
bar 0.
अबे साले
Jazz is making all that nonsense
Jujutsu
name
Kaisen Kaisen नै छ नि त अन्त
Kaisen
Okay, Kaisen. You've been trailer हैन Oh, something was written out there. Cute. Mappa.
約束だよ。大人になったらリカとユータは結婚するの。
It's a it's a love story.
じゃあ僕ら わ
Aww.
ずっとずっと
You see?
一緒だね
के देखेको त्यो
You see that girl name? We will get married भने ना. And that is monster is the same girl. You see how he was freaked out. You see the same word. Once we get adult, once we become adult,
we'll
you
be
can see
together.
the same voice
अँ.
with that monster. त्यो monsterले भन्दै थियो. And now you can think कि what might have happened to her.
I thought it was going to be a cute love story, but the monster appears.
And the monster will be.
Let's carry on.
今日から新しい学校だよ行きません
केटा ठुलो भएको
傷つけたくありませんだから外には出ません
उसले चाल पायो त्यो प्रिटी मोन्स्टर भनेर
You can see in the same word she's repeating that
助
monster.
けることもできる
Go to.
oh my god fancy है
And he's trying to be.
यो चाहिँ सानोको केटी होइन
क्या हाइप छ यो मुभी बापरे ठुलो My favorite. That is my favorite guy. So gay.
and again they're fighting something what
They're
is
fighting
it?
monsters.
They're fighting monster अन्त त्यो अब त्यसो भए त्यो केटाले त्यो आफ्नो केटीलाई मन पराएको केटीलाई पनि मान्नु पर्यो
She have already become monster. She
Oh.
has it's like not monsters. It's like curse. They
Curse.
become
Oh,
curse.
I've seen that
She have
word.
become. She herself become curse.
त्यसरी नबोल है इङ्ग्लिस चाहिँ नेपालीमा बोल भन्दा ना ना गरेर बोल्दैछ नि त नेपालीमा मजा एक्सप्लेन गर्नु म्युजिक इज नाइस
Oppi छ नि.
ल्या केटीलाई पनि मार्नु यो त वान आई हेभ टु किल भन्दैछ होइन
He's telling to someone else. त्यो देखेर चाहिँ अब यु फिल कि एनिमे र कार्टुनमा चाहिँ कति फरक रहेछ भनेर.
अब लाइक सी टु बी भेरी अनेस्ट मेरो ओपिनियन र मेरो रिभ्यू अन एनिमे इज लाइक दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वाच होइन स्टिल आई फिल कि कार्टुन टाइपको नै बट आई सुडन्ट बी सेङ इट्स एन अफेन्सिभ थिङ फर एनिमे लभर
एनिमेसन पुरै डिफ्रेन्ट छ भेराइटी छ.
आई स द्याट मोस्टली मैले के देखेँ भने आई एक्सप्रेसन इज मेन थिङ how they express themselves to eye, whether it's anger or love or kind of sadness, they show it through their eyes. And I've seen lots of pictures of that anime. No?
अन्त उयो ब्याकग्राउन्ड देखि न ब्याकग्राउन्ड
Music plays the most important role. It will show the, I mean, it will set.
उयो गर्दिन्छ एपिक फिल हुन्छ हौ त्यो कस्तो रुवाउँछ नि. इफ यु सी द मुभी नि यु विल क्राई लिटरली क्राई.
And they have like the stories are based on original stories, most of them. And even though they are not based on, even if it's fictional, no, they have the nice storyline. It will keep on captivating you people to watch. So guys, kasto lagi tapalai yo ajuko review reaction on anime. Please let me know if you guys have a good suggestion about anime or kasto type ko genre ma hernu parne. Please recommend garnu, suggest garnu in comment section. Do let me know what kind of reaction video you want to watch next by both of us. Yeah. Alrighty, see you in the next video. Have a great day.
Bonus.
यो यस्तो मान्छे हो. She can marry an anime character according to her.
Fictional guy. But that is
Daddy. Oh my god, I shouldn't be using
daddies.
that. No!